stop the medications, and maybe he or she can give you. Hello, this is Dr. Amian, your humble servant in health in the northern part of Antique. Many of our patients suffered leg swelling after they took Amlodipine as their medicines for high blood pressure. What are the things to be done in order to decrease such leg swelling if they took Amlodipine as a maintenance for their blood pressure? First is you have to decrease your salt intake, because salt can increase your fluid intake, and it will cause water retention. Second is you have to elevate your legs as much as possible in order to decrease the swelling. Third is you can wear tight socks or compression stockings in order to decrease the swelling. And maybe you can walk a lot or exercise a lot in order to decrease the swelling, because if your muscles is contracting while walking, it will also decrease your leg swelling. Now, if that ways and means failed, so you can go to your doctor, and maybe he or she can change the medications to other medications that there is less swelling or no swelling side effects. Or maybe your doctor can lower the medications, especially if you are taking 10 milligram of Amlodipine, then they can lower it to half in order to decrease the side effect of leg swelling. Or maybe if that leg swelling is symptomatic, it causes disturbances to you, just like pain or inability to walk, and you will have a very huge leg swelling or severe swelling, then maybe your doctor can stop the medications or taking Amlodipine, and maybe he or she can give you diuretic in order to lower the swelling in the legs, or to make the swelling the legs disappear. Okay, so I hope that our talk today offered medical help to you with regards to your problem of leg swelling while taking Amlodipine as your antihypertensive medication. So this is Dr. Amian, your humble servant in health in the northern part of Antique, wishing you the best of everything and regards.